Hey everyone, welcome to a new video of Campus Placement. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Intel Corporation of Campus Drive. Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company. Intel India is offering an exciting data analytics job role. Candidates with the B.Tech in 2019 and 20 graduates are eligible for the Intel off-campus drive. Now let us look at the detailed eligibility criteria and the application process for the Intel Corporation. The position offered is of data analytics engineering intern. So they give you the position of an intern. Degree needed is of B or B.Tech. Batch 2019 and 2020 batch. Job location is Bangalore. Experience 0, that is no experience is needed. You can be a fresher. Salary, it is best in industry as it is Intel itself. Let us look at the detailed eligibility for the Intel freshers job. Education, candidate must be a B or B.Tech. The batch that is eligible is the 2019 and 20 batch. Experience, as I mentioned, no experience is needed. You can be a fresher. This is the additional qualification. Candidate must have an MS in Industrial Engineering, Mathematics or Computer Science. Expect the required degree. So this is the additional qualification. If you have this, they may prefer you over others. Now let us look at the job description. The name itself gives you the meaning, data analytics. If you are a computer science student or also an ENTC student, you must be knowing about these topics. The job description is use predictive modeling, statistics, machine learning, data mining and other data analysis techniques to collect and explore, extract the insights from the structured and unstructured data, develop software algorithms, applications to apply mathematics to data, perform a large-scale experimentation and build the data-driven apps to translate data into intelligence. An Intel freshers recruitment candidate should be able to solve a variety of business problems and enable the business strategy. Assist the business with casual inferences and observations with finding patterns and relationships in the data. I think it is a very good job description. If you are a computer science student and you love machine learning, this is the best opportunity you can get. Let us look at the technical knowledge required. You must be an expert in relational database, research methods, machine learning, cloud-based technologies, as it is we have various cloud-based technologies, big data technologies that are Hadoop, HBase and etc. Then analytical packages, that is R, Mohoth, Octave, Weka. Weka is a software mostly used for data analysis. Then you must be knowing the scripting language Python, Perl and R. Programming languages like Java, C, C++, SQL. And you must be knowing the data scientist toolkit including the time series models, machine learning, simulation, optimization and ability to develop models with the structured, unstructured and big data. I will provide you the link in the description for the off-campus of Intel. I think this is a very good opportunity for the students of computer science or the students who are very interested in the machine learning technologies. You can go here and apply as early as possible, as I don't know when they can stop the recruitment. So if you want to apply, please go and apply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video and please guys do subscribe our channel.